It caught on fire?
Explosions. It sounds like electrical.
Explosions. There's like 8 fire trucks. Or 2. Same thing, really. Yep. Okay, so we're going to get Weston and Cody now. Okay, Robert's special.
Sour cream and stuff. Or anyone want queso too?
What do you have there? Queso and
Ew.
You?
She said ew.
Okay.
Emu?
You just get a spoon.
Ew.
I like it. Right, bro,
You're in it 3 days in a row.
Hold on, let me get a spoon.
3 days in a row.
Some queso. There's not very much queso. I don't even want to do this. Okay. Do you want queso on your cup or on the side? On the side.
This is going to be an interesting one. Recording people eating. Go on, take a bite.
You hardly have anything to eat. We gave it all the.
She's so by the seashore.
I can't whistle
So
anymore.
opposite. So
You can't whistle anymore?
she's seashore.
What are you talking? I'm not an illegal. Well, okay.
How's it going? See, I'm just blowing now.
It's close enough.
It's terrible.
Is that all they're doing?
I thought it was even alive.
I'm gonna die, Cameron.
We're all gonna die, actually.
Oh, okay.
What does it do? Does it just swing you around in a circle? And you float back and forth? 4.
Vlog while you're in it.
I'm going to. Wait, I need to put this on my strap. I feel like it's gonna fall and die. Oh god, it turned around.
No! It goes everywhere! Hold the bird!
I'm gonna die, vlog.
What? My phone flew out. I know, yours is sitting. Yeah, it's in the pocket. It's stuck under here.
How do they have time to graffiti this? In mid-ride, they just...
Oh lord, I'm so scared.
It's okay. We're gonna die. This is a good way to die.
Oh my god.
I'd rather die here than like in bed.
Oh my god.
Am I supposed to grab onto this?
I don't know.
Oh, it's okay. I'm gonna vlog. If you throw up like 8 feet, then it'll be 3D.
Oh my god.
Here we go. Oh god, the suspense is killing me. Hey, Weston!
Did you already flip over? Hello, audience! Show the audience! Show the audience the view. Amazing view.
Oh yeah.
Holy crap.
Pretty good view. Look at those. Oh god. Yes, we're gonna die. So it swivels around in circles, and we go backwards and upside down.
Holy crap.
We're gonna die.
I think I'm
You didn't let me set my stuff down. So I think it's gonna be like flying out.
Okay, your camera's gonna like fly out.
Yeah, you should.
It's strapped.
Oh, it's strapped.
Oh! What now? Good. I hate the audience. Just kidding. You're gonna like break it.
Are we moving?
I think Weston's moving us. Stop moving us, Weston. Weston, you're moving us. You're moving the whole thing. You're literally, okay, this thing is gonna break because of Weston. I don't understand why. Are your eyes closed this whole time? Mm-hmm. Okay, good plan.
I don't want to be on this anymore.
Just get off.
Yeah.
Jump out.
Okay.
Starting. Okay, I'm doing this for you. This is all your fault, Weston.
All of them are in. Here they go. I love you, Kendall! And Brooke. More or less. Here, vlog.
Cool.
Vlog. Take it, vlog.
Vlog what?
Why did they put you on the other side of the line?
I don't know. Goodbye, Weston. Weston.
Bye, Samantha.
I was praying to Pinkie Pie.
Get back.
Hold my phone.
You're so unsafe. I could die. If I fall that...
Are you supposed to keep your like arms and legs inside? Because this thing almost like chopped off my arm.
Well, why would you put it outside? Why?
There's like shields here. I'm just like, no.
Is this the top already? Oh, that lame.
Oh my god, this is lame.
Kindle is angry. Oh wait, is that even? No, they're over there.
Kindle. Jang.
You're like hiding behind a pole. I can't see.
Jang.
Be the perfect spot to do.
It's like I'm a stalker.
You could yell louder.
Matt! Wait, what's that one kid that walked up to me? Ashton! Ashton!
Where's Matt? Go for Matt.
Matt Gustafson!
Gustafson!
Matt Gustafson!
Oh yeah.
I'm scared. We're going back down, man. We're going back. Oh, freaking God! Why are we
We did the audience thing. Now we're just gonna turn into group buskus. Now that's exciting. What do you mean stuck at the top? Stuck at the top.
Yes!
Really? But then everyone would have been stuck. It's better to be stuck at the top.
No!
Because then you have further to fall.
Oh my god!
Oh no.
Under's the best. Actually, this is gonna work. You wait.
Oh my God! Oh yes! Yes!
Weston got it.
Yes! Thank you so much. We babysit your goldfish.
You gotta go fish.
Yes!
I got another one in. We both. I don't want to go fish. You want another goldfish?
I want to.
Here, have another goldfish.
Is she getting our goldfish?
It's an invisible goldfish. My fish is better.
Oh, fishy's disease.
Together and
Fish.
Oh my God.
What?
Oh my God. Your brown fish is better than mine. And this stupid red fish. No. You want another one to put in your bowl? Weston's a professional sushi maker.
Don't make sushi out of them.
I would never do such a thing.
Oh, she plays trumpet.
Yeah.
Oh.
Look, she got
I didn't know who that was. Okay.
Y'all want to really see which one you brought in or not? Y'all want to release up here because this is going to make them all this one.
Alexis can't basketball.
We got fishes! We got fishes! Woo! Fishes! I want this banana!
Just envision that banana. You'll win.
What?
Envision the banana. That's your motivation.
No! Higher!
Land in here, land in here. After this.
Meanwhile, in Fishyland.
See what I'm saying?
I just have no idea.
Cameron and Cody are gonna try, and then I'm gonna try. It's gonna be intense. So he has to like roll it with his hand, if that makes sense. I'm not sure where to. Oh! Come on, Cameron. Come on.
He gave you instructions.
Come on. Just roll it through your hand.
Come on, Cameron. Come on.
You're gonna do it.
Come on. Gotta win the
Right there, Cameron.
Win the banana.
Up! Ah!
Cam, deny.
Okay. So good.
Let's try it.
Do you want me to hold your fish? I don't win stuff. Never.
I donated my fish to him. Do you want a fish?
No. I'll take it.
2 fishes? Just like 50 fishes?
I'll don't squish
You could have a... What? That's... Why would you do that? That's so mean. You know, you were...
No! I hate you!
Get out of here, lineman.
Attention, my mom can get it.
Oh my God.
Let's go. Go. The fish is gonna die. That's okay. Hey, me. What's up, dog? How you doing? Let's go. Let's get the slug bug train to move it. Just smack into everything. You're a lineman. Oh, nice.
Oh God, no.
Fap.
No!
I think it's this way.
Okay.
We're just... Cody, dang it. Why are you so...
Cody, why is Cody so fast at it? Oh, God, you're going into a... Oh, never mind.
Cody is fast. Hey, I found you. Let's go, amigo. Oh, did we win already?
No, you look at the mirror.
That was the hardest part.
Oh. Me first. Now Weston's short. Oh, you're still not short, even in that.
It's a normal size. Actually, it's like kind of short. You look better. Like, dude.
Better. Uh-oh.
You can never...
Oh, okay.
Hi! Going through the mirrors? Okay, we're coming. Okay, let's go.
Like a goldfish.
Mine's a minnow.
Goldfish and
I traded with Brooke
Yes.
because I thought it was a brown goldfish, but it's a minnow.
It's just a brown.
You lied to me. You lied. That's cheating.
crappy minnow.
No.
It's goldfish and
That's just outsmarting you.
a goldfish within a goldfish.
See, look.
Liar.
I know you.
Let me trade with somebody.
No.
What's a brown goldfish?
9 tickets, $5.
And a goldfish.
Tickets.
I'm telling you, just stand behind the stand and just... You want some tickets?
I feel like someone's gonna rape me.
Rape you for it? I want some of your tickets. Oh, God. That could happen. Go find somebody. Show the vlog how to sell tickets.
I'm not gonna try one of the employees. That would be 5 tickets, $2. That's less than half price. They should jump all over this deal. 5 tickets, $2. That's less than half price. So, 5 tickets, $2.
That's a good bargain. Take that one. I like that idea.
$2. No deal. Come on. It's less than half. You do it? I'll give you $2.
How about a trade? Yeah, I'll take that trade.
Here's your tickets anyway. Yeah, that was
Good enough.
Western scalper.
You did it.
yes! I finally sold my $9.
You just lost $4.
Five tickets, $2.
I'm thirsty. That's why I got the $5.
We gotta go.
$4.